I call on the Minister for Local Government, Housing and Community Development, the Honourable Premila Kumar. You have the floor, ma'am.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank the Honourable Member for his question. The Navua Fire Station was decommissioned on 16 December 2020 for safety reasons. TC Yasa had also prompted NFA to vacate the station based on the projected path of the cyclone, which was through the Central Division. Mr. Speaker, sir, the structural integrity of the building was also in question. Assessments of the structure revealed that the building was not fit to occupy. OHS and the Health Department issued notices of closure due to the risk the building posed. Mr. Speaker, sir, the National Fire Authority did consider renovating the property initially. Assistance was sought from the Ministry of Infrastructure for Engineering Services. Engineering assessment of the building was carried out, and it was established that the building was beyond repair. Mr. Speaker, sir, while we acknowledge that this is an essential service every municipality should have, we cannot afford to repair a structure that is not feasible. I wish to further inform the House that the Navua Fire Station building was given to NFA by the district office on the goodwill arrangement. So this building was not even owned by NFA. The structure is actually a corrugated iron garage which underwent some improvements by NFA to serve as fire station for the residents of Navua. Mr. Speaker, sir, currently the Pacific Harbour Fire Station provides services to the Navua Fire District. The Navua fire truck, including firefighters and the equipment, have been deployed to the Pacific Harbour Fire Station and Suva fire stations. NFA is planning to rent a suitable building for the purpose of setting up a temporary fire station for the Navua community. They have identified a residential building at Naitoni Road in Navua, which is a minute away from the Navua CBD. NFA is yet to carry out improvements to the temporary site to provide proper shelter for its trucks as well as the equipment. These renovations will be carried out once the situation improves and supporting businesses and suppliers are back in operation. Mr. Speaker, sir, for long-term vision, NFA has already secured a 99-year lease over a 1-acre land in Navua for the construction of a new fire station for the Navua community. This is situated at Lot 1 Tokotoko Road, which is within the CBD area. In addition, the preliminary work for the construction of the new station for Navua has already started with the design and documentation process. And Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to reassure the residents of Navua and also the Honourable Member that NFA services will not be affected. Navua community will be served by NFA based in Pacific Harbour. Mr. Speaker, sir, I also want to inform the House that in the last few years, government has constructed 8 new fire stations in places like Korolevu, Korovo, Senganga, Tavuni, Savu-Savu, Reki-Reki, Nakasi, and Lemi. Nambowalu is the 9th newly constructed fire station to be opened soon. So during the day, Mr. Speaker, sir, I've been hearing from the members, where is the money, unprecedented economic growth, money was spent recklessly. For future, I would like to inform the members that whenever you question where is the money, where is this unprecedented economic growth, please look around. What will you find? You will find new bridges, you'll find new roads, you'll find new hospitals, you'll find new fire stations, You'll find new school buildings, new staff quarters, you'll
That's
find
not
new
government
municipal markets, you'll find new water and electricity connections, you'll find new police stations
Statement.
and new courthouses. And the list can go on. So I hope that you will not ask
All
that
money.
question in the future. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
All right, thank you.